Hello student, subject chemistry, chapter 9, coordination compound. We start with chapter 9, coordination compound. A coordination compound consists of central metal atom or ion surrounded by atoms or molecules. For example, a chemotherapy drug cisplatin. Cisplatin is a coordination compound in which the central platinum metal ion is surrounded by two ammonia molecules and two chloride ions. Ligands. Ligands means the species surrounding the central metal atom or ion are called ligands. The ligands are linked directly to central metal ion through coordinate bond. A formation of coordinate bond occurs when the shared electron pair is contributed by ligand. A coordination bond is also known as coordination covalent bond. And in coordination covalent bond, sharing of electron is done and is also known as dative bond. In this, central metal atom is directly attached to ligand. In this arrowhead point is electron acceptor. The central metal atom or ion, usually an electron deficient species, accept an electron pair while the ligands serve as electron donor. Ligands are also has two types. First is monodentate ligand and second is polydentate ligand. Monodentate ligands. A monodentate ligand is the one where a single donor atom shares an electron pair to form a coordinate bond with the central metal ion. All of you know what is coordinate bond. Coordinate bond in which electron sharing is done. For example, the ligands Cl-, OH- or Cn- attached to metal have electron pair on chlorine, oxygen and nitrogen respectively, which are donor atoms. Here example, chlorine atom, which is ligand, have total 8 electron, and OH ligand and Cn ligand. Polydentate ligands, first example is ethylene diamine. Ethylene diamine binds to metal using electron pair on each of its two nitrogens. Here NH2 bonded with CH2 NH2. These two nitrogen atom bonded with ethyl. Similarly, oxalate ion C2O4 2- utilizes electron pair on each of its negatively charged oxygen atom upon linking with metal. Polydentate ligands, first example is ethylene diamine. Ethylene diamine binds to metal using electron pair on each of its two nitrogens. Here NH2 bonded with CH2 NH2. These two nitrogen atom bonded with ethyl. Similarly, oxalate ion C2O4 2- utilizes electron pair on each of its negatively charged oxygen atom upon linking with metal. Ambidentate ligands. The ligands which have donor atom, two donor atoms, and use the electron pair of either donor atom to form a coordinate bond with the metal ion are ambidentate ligands. Ambidentate ligands who have two donor atom and use electron pair of either donor atom to form coordinate bond with the metal are known as ambidentate ligands. For example, the ligand NO2- link to metal ion through nitrogen or oxygen. Both sides are attached, either nitrogen or either oxygen. Here first nitrogen is attached to metal, or in second oxygen, one side oxygen is attached to metal, are known as ambidentate ligands. Coordination pair. The central metal ion and ligand linked to it are enclosed in a square bracket. This is called coordination pair. Coordination pair means central metal ion and ligand linked to it are enclosed in a square bracket. This is called a coordination pair, which is a discrete structure unit. When the coordination pair comprising central metal ion and the surrounding ligands together carry a net charge, it is called the complex ion. The ionizable group shown outside the bracket are the counter ion. For example, the compound K4 in bracket FeCN6 has FeCN6 4- coordination pair with the ionizable K+ ion representing counter ions. The compound ionizes as K4FeCN6 gives 4K+ plus FeCN6 4-. Charge number of complex ion and oxidation state of metal ion. The net charge residing on the complex ion is its charge number. It is algebraic sum of the charges carried by the metal ion and the ligands. The charge carried by the metal ion is its oxidation state. We are also known as complex compound. In complex compound, the number which is carries on box or bracket upon bracket is also known as charge number, and the charge carried by metal ion is its oxidation state. Coordination number of central metal ion. Look at the complex CONH3 4Cl2+. Here 4 ammonia molecule and 2 chloride ion, that is total 6 ligands. 2 chloride and 4 ammonia are attached to cobalt ion. Here cobalt is central metal ion and ammonia and chloride are ligand. All these are monodentate since each has only one donor atom. There are 6 donor atoms in the complex. Therefore, the coordination number of cobalt, that is CO3 plus ion, in the complex is 6. Total 6 number of atoms are directly attached to central metal atom. Then its coordination number is also 6. Thus, the coordination number of metal ion attached to monodentate ligand is equal to number of ligand bound to it. Thus, the coordination number is also equal to number of ligands. Double salt and coordination complex. Combination of two or more stable compound in stoichiometric ratio can give two types of substances, namely double salt and coordination complex. First, what is double salt? Double salt means a double salt dissociate in water completely into simple ion. For example, more salt FeSO4 NH4 twice SO4 6H2O. This is more salt or more complex. Dissociate as first more salt FeSO4 NH4 twice SO4 6H2O is dissociate in water and gives Fe2 plus aqueous plus 2NH4 plus aqueous plus 2SO4 to minus aqueous. In this dissociation means one complex compound is dissociate in different molecules. Dissociate or it get different part or different atoms. Coordination complex. A coordination complex dissociate in water with at least one complex ion. For example, K4FeCN6 dissociate as the complex ion and counter ion. K4FeCN6 is the coordination complex, and these coordination complex dissociate as the complex ion and counter ion. K4FeCN6 in water gives 4K plus aqueous plus FeCN6 4 minus. 4K plus, this is the counter ion, and FeCN6 4 minus is complex ion. Werner theory of coordination complexes. The first attempt to explain nature of bonding in coordination compounds was put forth by Werner. The postulates of Werner are as follow. We start with postulate. First postulate: unlike metal salt, the metal in a complex possesses two types of valencies. First is primary ionizable valency and secondary non-ionizable valency. Second postulate: the ionizable sphere consists of entities which satisfy the primary valency of the metal. Primary valencies are generally satisfied by anions. Next postulate: the secondary valencies have a fixed spatial arrangement around the metal ion. Two spheres of attraction in the complex is CONH36Cl3 are shown in coordination second sphere. Central metal atom cobalt attached with total 6 ammonia molecule and chlorine, which is ionization primary sphere. In these total 6 ammonia are ligands, and these ligands are attached with central metal atom, which is classification of complexes. The coordination complexes are classified according to type of ligand and sign of charge on the complex ion. First, classification on the basis of type of ligand. First is the homoleptic complex. Consider CONH3 6 3+. In this complex, cobalt is the central metal atom and total 6 ammonia molecule is the ligand. Here only one type of ligand surrounds the CO3+ ion. The complexes in which metal ion is bound to only one type of ligand are also known as homoleptic complex. Homoleptic complex means in this central metal atom is attached to similar or one type of ligand is also known as homoleptic. Second complex is heteroleptic complexes. Look at the complex CONH3 4Cl2 bracket complete plus. There are two types of ligand, ammonia and chlorine, attached to central metal ion CO3+. Such complexes in which metal ion is surrounded by more than one type of ligand are heteroleptic complex. In heteroleptic complex, in this central metal atom is attached to more than one type of ligand. In these 4 ammonia molecule and 2 chlorine molecule are attached to central metal atom as a ligands. Then this complex is known as heteroleptic complex. Classification on the basis of charge on the complex. First is the cationic complexes. A positively charged coordination sphere or a coordination compound having a positively charged coordination sphere is called cationic complex. For example, the cation in bracket Zn NH3 4 2+ and CONH3 5Cl bracket complete SO4 are cationic complexes. The latter has coordination sphere CONH3 5Cl bracket complete 2+. The anion SO4 2- make it electrically neutral. Cationic complex are also known as positively charged complex or positively charged coordination sphere. In these complexes, anion are neutralize it electrically. Anionic sphere complex. A negatively charged coordination sphere or a coordination compound having negatively charged coordination sphere is called anionic sphere complex. Neutral sphere complexes. A neutral coordination complex does not possess cationic or anionic sphere or positively or negatively charged. Platinum NH3 twice Cl2 or nickel CO4 have neither cation nor anion but are neutral sphere complex. Then this complex are known as neutral sphere complex. IUPAC nomenclature of coordination compound. IUPAC nomenclature for these rules for naming coordination compound recommended by IUPAC are as follow. First, in naming the complex ion or neutral molecule, name the ligand first and then the metal. Second, the names of anionic ligand are obtained by changing the ending IDE to O and ATE to ATO. IDE is changing to O and ATE is changing to ATO. Next rule for IUPAC nomenclature: the name of complex is one single word. There must not be any space between different ligand name as well as between ligand name and the name of the metal. Next, after the name of the metal, write its oxidation state in Roman number, which appears in parentheses without any space between metal and parentheses.